Good morning. Circumstantial evidence is vital to prove the prosecution case and also to disprove the prosecution case. And further, every skill of investigating officer is required if the case is rest on circumstantial evidence. I have a case where the Supreme Court has considered this very same evidence, one in favor of one accused and another against the accused. A1 juvenile rejecting his juvenility, which was raised the first time before the Supreme Court, confirmed his sentence under Section 302 and acquitted A2. Let us see what was the concept. You have to go through the judgment very deeply if you want to understand the entirety of the judgment. If you are really interested in criminal side. AIR 2021 Supreme Court 3643 Lost Scene Theory. Applicability. Fact of lost scene should not be weighed in isolation or be segregated from other evidence led by prosecution. The lost scene theory should rather be applied taking into account case of prosecution in its entirety. Court have to not only consider fact knowledge but also circumstances that proceeds and followed from point of disease being so lost seen in the presence of the accused. This is most vital concept. 302, 364, 34, 120B and Evidence Act 3 and 106. Then these all are and 3 and 8. All these things were discussed. 34 also discussed, 120B discussed. So if you want to understand all these aspects, you go through the entirety of the judgment. But they have relied Birdichan Sarda vs. State of Maharashtra, AR 1984 SC 16, wherein what all are the 5 necessary things should be there to prove that circumstances evidence was true. You go through that judgment and also the entirety of the movie. I will take you the judgment now. You should understand one thing, that the Supreme Court not simply denied the journality of the first accused because it was raised first time before the Supreme Court. There was a fake attempt, but it was denied only because the certificates are not sufficient to hold that he was juvenile. Then I leave to consider this judgment to if you want to acquire knowledge in all aspect of what is 34, how 364, how 120B is made out, how the Supreme Court has segregated A1 and A2, and on one set of discussion accepted the last scene theory, in the other set of facts it did not accept the last scene theory, with certain segregated evidences, discussions. This process.